Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the one website that is eskillindia.org. So in this website, you are going to get the different trending courses as a free courses. And after completion of that course, you will get the certificate also for free. So you need not to pay any amount here. And if the same courses, if you want to get from other websites, you will be charged up to 20,000 or 30,000 like that. But all such type of skill-based courses, that means job ready courses, you will get for the free of cost, and free certificates also you can earn after completion of that course. Okay, so let us see the details regarding this one. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, it is a very big and wonderful opportunity to you guys. Okay, so if you are already working at somewhere, or else if you are a student, okay, so it is a wonderful opportunity. Why? Because all the courses are getting for the free of cost, and you will get the certificate also. So based upon that certificate, you can search for the job, or else your weight for the resume also will increase. Okay, there is a chance of selecting for the job very quickly comparing with the others. Okay, so it is the eskillindia.org, guys. Okay, I will provide this link in the at the end of this description box of this video. So you may check down. After entering into this website, you may check down here the popular courses are there. So these are all the different popular courses. Yes, computer basics. Okay, so free of cost. If you want to learn the computer basics, okay, then you may learn from this one. Next, Pradhan Mantri Arogya Mitra. Next, basic electrical training and computer hardware repairing. Okay, so generally computer hardware repairing, it is also the skill-based training, and electrical training is also skill-based. That means you can put your own business, okay, after successfully completion of these skills. Okay, and the domestic data entry operator and the data entry operator in English. Okay, so for example, if you want to do the data entry operator, okay, so you can do work from home. Okay, so there is no much investment for this one. All the thing is you just need a laptop. Okay, so here the name, the domestic data entry operator English, language is in English, and the duration is, okay, total 20 hours of duration, and the sector ITES. Okay, the price is free, and availability full time, and the certificate availability from Knowledge Partner is also available. Certification available from the eSkill India not available, but from the Knowledge Partner you will get the certificate, guys. And assessment availability from the knowledge partner also you will get, and the qualification required is just 9th to 10th. That's it. Fine. So if you are interested in this course, can not only this one, as I shown you the lot of courses here. So if you are interested in this one, just click on the enroll now. Then if you are the new to this website, then you have to sign up as a new user. Okay, if you are already user of this one, then you may just enter your registered email ID as well as the password. Okay, so if you are a new user, click on this one, then you have to enter all these details. Okay, so your first name, last name, mobile number, mail ID, gender, and the year of birth, state, as well as choose your password. Okay, so after entering all these details, then you will be entered to access the courses. Okay, whatever the courses are providing here. Okay, and in each and every course, certain modules will be there. Okay, approximately 8 to 10 like that modules will be there. So you have to clear all the modules. Okay, just like the video lectures will be there. And after clearing all those modules, then the certain examination type will be there. So you have to write that exam, and then you will get the certificate, guys. Right? And apart from this popular courses, here are a few latest courses are also there. So you may check down the healthcare and instructional strategies for the better teaching. Fine. So all these are also free of cost, guys. The course is free, and as well as getting the certificate is also free. Fine. And coming to the different categories also you may check down. So these are the different categories, just like agriculture, apparel and automotive, beauty, construction, electronics, gem and jewelry, healthcare and IT and ITES, and the plumbing, and few more categories are also mentioned here. So based upon your category, you may select any one of these things, or else you may check down here which category you belongs to. So type here and then click on the search button, then it will be directed to the required course. Okay, so and you may book for the online classes also. So here the free online class booking tool is there. So for this one you have to enter your name and the training partner name and email ID. Okay, so all these things you have to book, and then click on the submit. Fine. So you can book the free online class booking tool it is. Okay, so this one or Imperatus. The lot of flexibility was there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who require such type of information or else a certificate based free courses. Fine. So for more notifications, subscribe and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide